Let's make some Thousand Island dressing. Now I'm going to be making some homemade Reuben pita sandwiches today, and I need some Thousand Island dressing, and I'm not going to buy any. I'm going to end up making my own. So we got some sweet relish here, okay? I've got some ketchup here. It always says tomato ketchup. What kind of ketchup is there other than tomato? But we're going to be putting about that much ketchup. We're going to be putting some mayonnaise in this. Mayonnaise. Okay. We're going to put a touch, when I say a touch, a teaspoon maybe, apple cider vinegar. And it just so happens I have a little bit of white onion that I had cut up a few days ago. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to chop it up even finer. And in this particular case, you definitely want to use white onion. You don't want to use yellow. White's generally a little sweeter, a little bit easier on the old palate. But that is a lot of onion. But that's how much I'm going to be putting in here. Generally, you wouldn't really put that much. I'm going to put just a little bit of ground black pepper. Just a little bit of kosher salt, not a lot. And with that being done, we got to stir it. And there we go. If you want to have this a little bit darker of a color, obviously you would end up adding more ketchup to it, which I think I'm going to. I'm a proponent of more of an orange Thousand Island, like that, than a lighter colored one. There we go, guys. That's our Thousand Island dressing. But even though I wish I could say it was done and it was ready to use, it isn't. You need to throw this in the refrigerator and let it set. Give it at least a couple of hours. Let a lot of those flavors just kind of meld with one another, get happy, and kind of permeate throughout the dressing. If you want to, you can add just a touch of garlic powder in that to add a little bit more, but that is your Thousand Island dressing, guys. So until next time, I'll talk to you later.